Hello everyone. Here I'm going to explain the next phylum that is called as Aschelminthes, which is also called as phylum Nematoda. Please note this point. Here you could see the pictures of the organisms which comes under this phylum, that is Ascaris, which is also called as roundworm because their entire shape is round. Okay, you can imagine a pipe. They are very tiny. Another type of organism is Wuchereria. They are also called as filaria worm. You might have seen some persons suffering from like a huge foot that is called as elephant foot, that is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti, which is also a type of Aschelminthes. The next one is the hookworm. They normally reside inside the small intestine, normally lower part of the small intestine. They are also called as encyclostoma. Got it? Ascaris, Wuchereria, encyclostoma are the examples of the phylum Aschelminthes. Let us see some of its general characteristics. The body is circular in cross section. Okay, they are round in shape like a pipe, hence they are called as roundworms. Please note this point. Roundworms are nothing but the phylum Aschelminthes. Flatworm is nothing but the phylum Platyhelminthes. They are entirely different. Got it? Next is they are free living. Sometimes they are normally seen in outside the body of any animal. They are free living. Okay, don't imagine they are like marine animals. No, they could be seen in the freshwater bodies. Okay, normally contaminated water, or sometimes they are kind of like seen in the land, like could be seen in the dung, cow dung. Okay, or maybe in the soil. Majority of the phylum Aschelminthes organisms are parasites. That means they are endoparasites. They cause some deadly, dangerous disease. Okay, a nasty type of disease in human beings. What is important is the symmetry. Symmetry is bilateral. Got it? They are bilaterally symmetrical organisms and they are triploblastic. What about the coelom? These are the first phylum to exhibit pseudocoelom. Got it? So remember this point, pseudocoelomate animals. What about their digestive system? Is it complete or incomplete? It is complete. So this is the first phylum to exhibit complete digestive tract, that is having a well-defined mouth and a well-defined anus. Very important. Note this point. Okay, so let us continue about its digestive system. Actually, they have a very well developed muscular pharynx. Got it? The pharynx is muscular, very strong pharynx. Got it? Because of that, they can suck, they can eat the internal part of our body like small intestine. Got it? Let us talk about its sexes. Normally, they are not hermaphrodites. Not hermaphrodites. Here, the sexes are separate. You could easily identify male and female. In the case of Aschelminthes, males are shorter, whereas females are longer in length. Note this point, could be asked in your competitive examination. Got it? Females are longer, males are shorter in size or length. And what about its fertilization? Normally, fertilization takes place within the female body itself. So, fertilization is internal, but development could be either direct or indirect. Okay, direct in the sense like as it is. The young ones will be similar to the parents, or sometimes it may exhibit the what you call larval stages. Got it? Okay. So the examples to note down, I have already mentioned it, but once again let me tell. Ascaris, which is called as a roundworm, Wuchereria, called as filaria, that is hookworm. So these are the points to remember. Hope you understood this concept. So in the internet you get a lot of videos regarding the phylum Aschelminthes. Normally they are very dangerous, so you have to be very careful. You have to clean your hand before you eat any food. Got it? If the eggs enter into your body, they normally stay inside your intestine for longer and they cause malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Whatever the food you take, they actually consumes that food actually. Okay, there could be like 30% of the food will be consumed by these Aschelminthes, and even they cause internal bleeding. Got it? Internal bleeding in the sense they eat up the internal part of our body, like particularly small intestine, and cause the damage. And sometimes if it is not treated, it's very fatal. That is, it may cause death. So these are all actually some symptoms. Hope you understood this. Thank you.